All right, tell me refresh my memory, Reese, on the complimentary 1 year of maintenance.
Within the first year or 12,000 miles, 2 free oil changes and tire rotations as well.
Okay, what word did you use that I hate?
I'm not sure.
Free. Those oil changes and tire rotations are not free. Someone's paying for them, right? Let me draw an analogy. I hand Reese a coupon for a free lunch. And I turn to you and I say, Nicolette, I'd like to buy you lunch. Which one sounds more valuable?
The coupon. I mean, I guess. No, all right.
A coupon's a coupon. I'm going to buy you lunch.
Oh, okay, yes. All right. You buy me lunch.
It could be, the lunches could be exactly the same, okay? But the fact that I'm buying it for you creates more value. The way I would communicate that, Reese, and the way I want you to communicate it, is, look, Nicolette, here's what we're going to do for you. Your first 2 oil changes and tire rotations, they're about $80 a piece. That's $160 worth of oil changes and tire rotations. We're going to pay for them for you. Okay, now why would we do that? We're not a charitable outfit here. However, we have a terrific service department. You don't know that yet. We're willing to pay you to use our service department the first 2 times with a belief that if you do that, you'll be so satisfied that you will continue using our service department. And that's all the truth, okay? We don't give away stuff just for the hell of it. We give away stuff in order to help the customer experience the Lake Murray Honda service experience. But they don't have to pay. But believe me, if I ask Steve Patchett, are they free? He'd go, hell no. So he's paying for them, okay? Does that make sense? Okay.